Rapid Identification Kit for Glass Eel, Anguilla japonica. Different species of eel often look very similar. This challenge is particularly acute for juvenile stage glass eels, which are visually indistinguishable. That's why the National Institute of Fisheries Science has developed a rapid kit for on-site Japanese eel species identification, requiring no complex laboratory equipment. This kit delivers highly accurate results in just 20 minutes. Now let's take a quick look at the key steps of how it works. First, a tiny sample, such as a fin clip from an adult eel, is collected. The DNA is then rapidly extracted using a reaction solution. The extracted DNA is mixed with a solution containing species-specific markers. The target DNA of the Japanese eel Anguilla japonica is then amplified in just 5 to 10 minutes at constant temperature 37 degrees Celsius. Apply the amplified solution to the test strip. 2 lines indicate a positive result for the Japanese eel, while a single line indicates another species. The result is immediately visible. With this simple on-site kit, anyone can now accurately identify eel species. National Institute of Fisheries Science,